Namaste. Raj Ratna Shreshti Shri Nanji Bhai Kalidas Mehta Arya Kanya Vidyalaya Trust is an educational trust that was established by our founding father, Shreshti Shri Nanji Bhai Kalidas Mehta, almost 8 decades ago. Since its inception, the trust had the motto of providing education based on the principles of the Arya Samaj. Gurukul Mahila Arts and Commerce College was established in the year 1966 to provide quality education to the students coming from the rural and far-flung sections of the society. The institution is approved with 2F and 12B by UGC, which provides financial assistance under various schemes. The cardinal objective of the institution is to create good and responsible citizens for the nation. The hallmark of the institution is to educate the whole family by educating women. Gurukul Mahila Arts and Commerce College, Porbandar is affiliated to Bhakt Kavi Narsi Mehta University, Junagadh since 2016 and offers 7 UG programs and 12 short-term courses. At present, the college has 539 students and 11 permanent and 11 visiting faculty members. So far, 876 students have been awarded with UG degree in the last 5 years. The institution follows the semester pattern for all the programs, and UGC NSQF sponsored skill-based courses. Choice-based credit system has been implemented since 2010 onwards, which provides scope for choice of subjects. 12 value add-on courses have been introduced by the institution. The curriculum permits the students to have an academic flexibility both horizontally and vertically. Lateral entry for BA, BCom and credit transfer facilities are permitted by the university. Most of the programs offered in the college have adopted ICT-enabled teaching. E-learning through ICT is also made available. The institution has conducted 2 international district-level seminars and 4 workshops in the last 2 years. The college follows both oral and online feedback system. The institution has MOUs with Industrial Training Institute, Om Computers and NGOs like Youth Red Cross Society, Saheli Gram Udyog, Bagwadar, Ramakrishna Mission Porbandar and the Prakriti Youth Society Porbandar. The academic calendar is framed by the institution to furnish the academic plans, number of working days, dates of examination, seminars at the very beginning of the academic year. Students' admission is done according to the norms of the government and university. Admission committee comprising of principal and senior administrative staff members is constituted to monitor the process of admission. The college facilitates scholarship for the economically poor and disadvantaged students. Scribers are also arranged to write university examination. The institution has appointed well-educated, experienced, dedicated and sincere faculty members, giving priority to merit and excellence. IQAC is an important organ which functions and monitors the quality enhancement and quality sustenance in all fields. 2 faculty members have cleared NET, SET examination. 9 faculty members have been awarded with PhD. The institution encourages the faculty members to participate in orientation, refresher, and faculty development programs. The institution puts in sincere efforts to enhance the teaching learning process by giving assignments, class seminars, interaction, and group discussion among the students. The teaching has been enriched with the use of ICT tools, LCD projectors, multimedia, internet, and audio-visual aids. The faculty members pay special attention to the advanced learners to participate in the competitive exams and other co-curricular activities. The slow learners are given special coaching and training. Every year, the institution awards gold medals to the college toppers in every faculty. The institution conducts PTA alumni meets to discuss the academic performance of staff and students and the development of the college. The Grievance Redressal Cell and the Anti-Ragging Committee interacts with students and resolves all the personal problems. The institution has 3 recognized research guides: Dr. Anupam Nagar, Dr. Manhar Goswami, Dr. Nayan Tank for PhD programs. So far, more than 15 PhD scholars have been awarded PhD degree under them. The teachers have more than 50 publications in national and international journals to their credit, and 8 books have been published. The college invites eminent researchers and resource persons to deliver special lectures. The institution has 2 NSS units, which comprise of 200 volunteers to develop their personality and social responsibility through community services. They also engage in extension activities like village adoption, school adoption, and conduct various awareness programs, rallies, health camps, and also provide meals to the poor school students. Our founding father, Rajratna Shreshti Shri Nanji Bhai Kalidas Mehta, had dreamt of establishing a university exclusively for women way back in 1966. Inspired by Rabindranath Tagore, Shri Nanji Bhai had visualized having a Shantiniketan in Porbandar. After Shri Nanji Bhai's demise, his learned daughter, Dr. Savita Ben Mehta, took the institution forward by her dedication to promoting Indian ethos, values and culture through dance, music and theatre. At present, the state of Gujarat has over 18 state universities, 1 central university, 2 deemed universities, 8 private universities. Of these, the Performing Arts Department is limited to just a few, and there are none in the Saurashtra region of Gujarat. We are blessed with a 90-acre campus and wish to build the great institution Shri Nanji Bhai Kalidas Mehta had dreamt of. Thereby truly empowering rural women through quality education. Susanskar, Sushiksha, Sushakti. Jai Hind.